if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this Pom Pom Rakhi. So it's very easy to make. Without wasting time, let's get started. Things you will need is small piece of red sheet, yellow sheet, white sheet and black sheet, scissor, glue, fork and wool of two colors, yellow and blue. First take yellow color, wrap it around fork like this. Make 80 rounds. If you want to know how to make these pom-pom, I have made the separate video also, so link in the description. Do check it out. Tie it from the center like this. Now cut it like this. Make it in the circle shape. You can see yellow pom-pom is ready for face. Now take blue wool. I will wrap this on my fingers, 3 fingers. Like this. Make 80 rounds. After it get completed, tie it from the center and cut it like this. Or you can cut it like this. Then give it a shape. After it's done, join both. Like this. Apply glue and join it. Join it properly. After this, take sheet, black sheet, cut a strip, Then take white sheet for eyes. Then take red sheet for lips. Outline it. Paste eyes on black sheet. Then apply glue on strip and paste it like this. Then paste the lips like this. Toy minion is ready. Now take yellow wool according to the size, same as blue wool. Knot it. Now paste it with the minion. Now attach it with the minion like this. So you can see our minion Pom Pom Rakhi is ready. It looks so sweet. Your younger brother will get excited and more happy. Hope you like this video. If you don't like the video, do give suggestions in the comment box. Also do subscribe my channel. Thank you.